Viewers, today we will discuss how to download the imagery using a universal map downloader. And in this exercise, the first step is to open your Art Map window and to load your area of interest. In Art Map, you will go to your specified folder, and then you will just drag your file in ArcMap. You can also import your file using Add Data tool. And from here, you need to select your region of interest. You can choose from attribute table as well. You will just click on attribute table and place a query of district. You can select a single shapefile, or you can also select multiple shapefile by using in-query. I will select a single shapefile with this query. Then you will get unique values and select your region of interest like this. And you will double click on this and click apply, and this will show you your region of interest. Now, in our next step, we will draw a short portion to download our imagery. And in this, we need to draw a rectangle like this, short rectangle, this one. And in our next step, we will click on layers, then click on convert graphics to features. And this will convert this layer into a shape file. And after export, just click OK and delete this option from here. So after converting graphics to feature, the next step is to create feature vertices. You will go to search bar and write here vertex. You will just press this tool, uh, feature vertex to point, and give it an input as the converted graphics. Then you will click OK to proceed further, and this will create 4 points along this shapefile or ROI. Now we will create XY along these points, and we will write here XY tool. Just click on this add XY and choose your converted graphics file and click OK to generate your coordinates, latitude, longitude. This will create your lat longs for the whole points. And now we need to open our Universal Map Downloader software. And before going towards, you need to select these 2 points, top latitude, top longitude, and bottom latitude, bottom longitude. You will select these two lat longs, and you will go to UMD file, and you will just go to Google Maps and then select uh, 1024 pixels and Google Map. We will download this imagery in low resolution. You can choose as per your specific requirements. And here you need to add your longitudes and latitudes. You will add your left longitude from here. This one is our left longitude. We will add on our window uh, and select latitude. You will add top latitude here, and then bottom latitude, right longitude, and then right latitude here. So now you will just specify your folder. Do you want to save this imagery? And just click start to proceed this high resolution imagery. This will download the 4 files. And in our next step, we need to combine these images from tools. And you will click on Map Combiner tool and open the task, and you will go to your specific folder where you have saved it. Now where you have saved your data, it will show you a .umd format, and you will open it in this, and you can choose a TIFF format, a PDF format, or whatever you want to export, and you will select extent parameters from meter or degrees. You can choose anyone, and just combine these layers. This will combine your whole tile after finishing it. So here is our combined satellite version. You can load this in ArcMap to preview your layer. This will look like this one as a high resolution Google Imagery. I hope this exercise will help you a lot to download satellite imagery for your specific region. Thank you for watching this video.